Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric car jacks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 12 volts electric car jack 1-1/2 ton, 3,300 pounds. Lifting a load up to 3,300 pounds, 1.5 ton will seem easy with this electric car jack. It's designed for use with different vehicles on the market and comes in a basic and straightforward design for easy use. The unit is well built to handle the weight, rough terrains, and works pretty fast. It runs on the car's 12 volts and just needs to be connected to the car's cigarette lighter. Although it can handle such as heavyweight, the unit is moderately light, weighing only 11 pounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the 12 volts DC electric hydraulic car jack, 2,200 pounds, 1 ton. This electric car jack may seem pretty small. However, it delivers excellent power and is recommended for loads up to 1 ton, 2,200 pounds. It is perfect for hatchbacks, sedans, light trucks and other small to medium-sized vehicles. The accessory is very sturdy and has a firm base for minimizing any movement, especially during use. It also has a small footprint to fit in small spaces, especially beneath the car. It runs via the car's 12 volts DC cigarette lighter and also comes with a quality LED light for improved illumination. At number 3, we have the electric hydraulic jack, 3 ton, 6,000 pounds. If you desire a heavy-duty electric car jack, then this well-built piece by ABN should be what you are looking for. It is designed for weights, loads up to 6,000 pounds, 3 tons, and will work with different types of vehicles. The unit will automatically lift the car with minimal human intervention and works faster than when doing it manually. The hydraulic piece is fit for sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, light trucks and other vehicles and has a lifting range of 6 to 17.5 inches. Like other products, it also runs via 12 volts power sources. At number 2, we have the 12 volts electric scissor car jack, 2.5 ton, 5,500 pounds. Lifting loads up to 5,500 pounds, 2.5 ton, is simple when using this electric scissor floor jack. It easily fits under most cars and stays firm thanks to its good engineering. This also prevents the car or the jack from accidentally moving. It runs via a 12 volts DC source and will work via the car's cigarette lighter. The heavy-duty unit will raise the vehicle in no time and doesn't seem to struggle courtesy of the powerful built-in motor. It features a long 12-foot cord for easy reach and is also simple to operate. Amnesty automotive electric car jack is the perfect tool to access an automotive undercarriage. The sturdy steel construction offers a lifting capacity of 5,500 pounds. The 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter with 12-foot, 360 centimeters, cord will reach all areas of the car or truck. The lifting height ranges from 5 inches 16.5, 12.5 to 42 centimeters. The unit is great for anyone with physical limitations that make use of a manual jack difficult. The jack is easy to set up and no excessive physical labor is needed to lift the vehicle. A built-in circuit breaker within the jack protects your vehicle's wiring from overload. The heavy-duty 13-amp, permanently lubricated DC motor and rotating pawl will function flawlessly. Protective pads on the jack riser offer the best fit on the vehicle frame or axle. The electric car jack comes in a rugged carry case to keep it compact for organizes storage. Includes extra fuses and accessories for using of roadside assistance auto emergency. No more fighting with an old-fashioned hand jack. Just touch a button for smooth lift. And finally at number 1, we have the 12 volts DC electric car scissor jack 3 ton, 6,600 pounds. Changing the tire following a puncture shouldn't mean you are sweating with a manual scissor jack. With the best electric car jack, you will have an easier time doing it. The March In is worth considering and has been getting lots of praise for its reliability and efficiency. It can safely lift up to 6,600 pounds, 3 tons, and is designed to operate via a 12 volts DC power. The unit lifts the wheel in less than 60 seconds and will stay stable throughout the process. It's made from sturdy steel to prevent warping, breaking or coming apart. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.